Camera for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Tuesday, March the 5th. One question I get asked sometimes from time to time is, who pays you? Good question. We all like to know where everything's going, and we're very transparent around here. The bottom line is we get paid by the lender. Typically when we're doing an A deal, basically if you have stellar credit, everything's normal, there's no need to charge a fee or anything, then in that scenario the lender will pay us. On a B deal, or let's say you have challenging credit, it's a commercial deal, it's not part of your ordinary kind of deal, in those scenarios we would be charging you a fee. And it'll be a mutually agreed upon fee that you're happy with and that we can make work the file. So when we have the situation where a lender pays us, I sometimes get asked, the question, is there a conflict there? I said, well, absolutely not, because for us, what we do is we've got a host of lenders to choose from. So our bottom line is to find the lender that's going to best suit you and the overall products and programs that are going to work for you. Another thing that comes up seldom, not often, but once in a while I get asked, especially when we've been referred to by a realtor, is are you paying this realtor any money? Well, if we were, we'd have to disclose it to you. That's sort of how it works. When you're dealing with a mortgage broker, they have to disclose that. When you're dealing with the banks directly, let's say if the bank is paying the realtor a fee for getting your business or soliciting it, they don't actually have to disclose that. The realtor would. However, the bank or the lending institution doesn't often do that, nor do their road people that represent them. So you always, as a smart and savvy consumer, need to make sure that your interests are always put forefront and at the center. So you know what? Bottom line is, if you're being referred to, whether it be somebody like us or you're being referred to some other place, always ask the questions, who's paying you? What's going on? I mean, where's the transparency? You want to make sure that whoever is representing you is working out for your best interest, not just the interest of one institution alone, but overall is looking out for everything in relation to your file and ensuring that the mortgage that you wind up with is the very best one that's going to work for your situation and not just, let's say, the lending institution situation. That's typically why a lot of people go to a broker, because a broker is independent and they're out there to represent them and with whatever lender it's going to work with. So, just thought I'd clear that up. I do get asked that question from time to time, and I think it's always important that people know where our income comes from and what we do to earn it. If you ever have any questions like that or anything related mortgage-wise, or you want to know a little bit more, give us a call. I'm always happy to answer those questions. You can reach me pretty much anytime at 250-686-4246, or you can email us at the Auxilium team. We're always here and happy to help. As always, rates are phenomenally low. I mean, market still seems to be pretty flat, and there's talking to people out there, there's definitely some good buys out there. So if you are looking, give us a shot. We'd love to have the opportunity to earn your business, and hopefully we can do a good job of it. Anyway, it's been Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. I will see you tomorrow.